Okay, so we are starting with exercise number 3.1. Here in question number 1, it is given degrees are given, we have to convert it into radians. So 25 degrees has been converted into radians by multiplying the degrees with pi by 180. Similarly, with other questions, we have done the same thing. Minus 47 degree 30 minutes has converted first into degrees and then into radians. 240 degrees has been multiplied by pi by 180 to get 4 by pi by 3 radians, and so on. In second question, we have to find out the degree measure for radians given, and we have to use pi as 22 by 7. 11 by 16 radians has been converted into degrees by multiplying it by 180 by pi. And pi, we have to use it as 22 by 7. If it is given in the question, we have to use that only. And we need to convert degrees into minutes and seconds also. So 1 degree is 60 minutes. After getting the fraction, we have taken 3 by 8 into 60 minutes. And again, 1 by 2 has been converted into seconds. So we got this 11 by 16 radians. Second part of the second question is minus 4 radians into degrees. Again, if we do the calculation, it is very simple. We'll get this. We have to convert the degrees into minutes and seconds also. So you just need to take the division and take out the fraction part and multiply it by 60. So here we are getting minus 229 degrees 5 minutes 27 seconds. 5 by pi 5 pi by 3 radians has been converted into degrees by like this. 7 pi by 6 radians into degrees. So pi has been cancelled, the calculation has become simple. In question number 3, it is given that 1 minute contains 360 revolutions and we need to find out how many radians are there in 1 second. So 1 minute is 360 revolutions, so we can find out that 1 second contains how many revolutions? It is 6 revolutions. So we know that the one complete revolution makes an angle of 360 degrees, which is 2 pi radians. So 6 revolutions will contain how many radians? It is 12 pi radians. So the answer is 12 pi. Next question number 4. We need to find out the theta in degrees, where radius of the circle is given as 100 centimeter and arc of length is 22 centimeter. We need to find out theta, which is L by R. L is given, R is given. So the answer will be in radians. We need to convert it into degrees by multiplying it with 180 by pi. Use pi as 22 by 7 and get the degrees. By taking the fraction, we can convert degrees into minutes and seconds as done before. So the answer is coming out 12 degrees 36 minutes. Next question number 5. The diameter of the circle is 40 centimeter and the chord of the circle is 20 centimeter. We need to find out the minor arc of the chord, and since the diameter is 40, the radius is 20. If I redraw the circle, I'll get to know that the triangle which is formed by the chord and the radius, it is an equilateral triangle, and we know that the equilateral triangle consists, each side of the equilateral triangle is equal, so each angle will be 60 degrees. So 60 degrees has been converted into radians, which we know as pi by 3 radians. We can directly use it without computing it. So L has been find out by theta multiplied by R. R we know. In question number 6, it is given L1 and L2 arcs of two circles, they are both equal. Subtending an angle of 60 degree and 75 degree at the center of the two circles respectively, we need to find out the ratio of radii r1 by r2. So by using this formula, we have first converted theta once into radians. 60 degrees pi by 3 radians, 75 degrees has been converted into radians like this. So using the formulas we have computed the ratio of the radii by doing a little bit computation. Next, question number 7. We need to find out the angle in radians. So it is given that there is a pendulum which swings from left to right, forms an arc L, which is also given, and the radius which forms at the top of the pendulum is 75 centimeter, and L is given in different parts of this question. So we need to find out the theta as simple using the formula L by R. So it is directly giving answer in the radians. We need not to convert it into degrees since the question needs radians.